Andrews Pitchfork is a tool used by traders to understand price movements in markets. It helps traders find trends and potential buy or sell points. The pitchfork uses lines drawn on a price chart to show where the price might go. It's like a roadmap for traders, giving them clues about the market's direction. Traders use these clues to make better trading decisions. The pitchfork is especially helpful because it works on different time frames. This means traders can use it on charts that show price changes over minutes, hours, days, or even weeks. This flexibility makes it a versatile tool for traders of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, the pitchfork can be a valuable addition to your trading toolbox. Drawing the pitchfork is simple. You only need 3 points on a price chart: a high, a low, and another high or low. The first point is usually a significant high or low. The second point is the opposite, a low if the first was a high, and vice versa. The third point confirms the trend direction. There are 3 main types of pitchforks: standard, shift, and modified shift. The standard pitchfork is the most common and easiest to draw. The shift and modified shift pitchforks are variations that start from different points. They aim to be more sensitive to price changes and potentially offer more accurate signals. Traders use the pitchfork lines to identify potential buy and sell points. For example, if the price bounces off the lower line of the pitchfork and starts moving upwards, it might be a good time to buy. Conversely, if the price breaks below the lower line after a downtrend, it might signal a further downward movement, suggesting a sell. However, it's important to confirm the price action before making a trade. Just because the price is near a pitchfork line doesn't automatically mean it's a good time to buy or sell. Look for other signals like candlestick patterns or indicators to confirm the move. This cautious approach can help you avoid false signals and improve your trading accuracy. The pitchfork is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic solution. Markets are constantly changing, and what worked in the past might not work in the future. Sometimes the price might not respect the pitchfork lines, leading to false signals. This is where experience and understanding market context become crucial. To become proficient with the pitchfork, continuous learning is key. Many resources available online and offline can deepen your knowledge. Look for books, courses, and forums dedicated to Andrews Pitchfork and median line analysis. Remember, mastering any trading tool takes time and dedication, but the rewards can be significant.